This is the Pine Knob Shelter here on the Appalachian Trail. On the south side of it, if you're coming off the Appalachian Trail, on the south side there are looks like 3 tent pads that are over there. There's a little fire pit that someone's made there. Over on the other side of the trail, there's a nice flat spot where you can set up a tent if necessary. We got a bear box and then the bear pole. Just take a look at this shelter. The shelter is one of the older ones that I've seen on the trail. I think it was built in the late 1930s. Pretty sturdy. There is a picnic table out here to the front, some literature, the maps. Inside it's just a flat, solid platform. There's no bunks or sleep racks. There's the mileage, so Cowell is 8.3. Rocky Run is 7.4. Show you this really quick here. So this is the trail from the south side. This trail loops up and around and reconnects to the trail, the Appalachian Trail. The privy is tucked back in there. And then if you go over here to the north side, this trail will take you into, there's a spring that's up in there. It's about maybe like 50 yards up that trail. It is trickling right now. It's the end of September right now, and there's not a lot of water coming out from that spring, but there's enough if you have patience to fill your water bottles.